back to my channel. Hope everyone is having a phenomenal new year, because we didn't upload it all in January and halfway through December because we kind of fell off the face of the earth. But that's not what we're doing the video on. Maybe I'll talk about at the end of the video if there's time. But today I'm excited because we're going to talk about this lovely box that I'm going to hold upside down and sideways so you guys don't see the address. But we're going to talk about the Beautylish. It's the Beautylish Lucky Bag. What's the actual term of it? Puka. That's my sissy in the background if you have no idea who she is. Yeah, I don't know how to say that in Japanese, but basically every New Year, it's not the New Year, it's like a celebration. They put, is it just a beauty thing or is it like an everything? Everything they do. Everything they do in Japan, whatever.
All kinds of Fuka bags.
So there's like food bags, beauty bags, whatever the jaws. We get a beauty bag from Beautylish. They celebrate by doing an awesome bag. They've got two different options. They have a $75 option, which is the one that we got, and then a $150 option.
Yeah, for if you're lucky.
Yeah. So there's like there's three tiers to get the notification, like to be able to get access. And so you have to spend it's $1,000 in Beautylish in a year to get like first access. If you sign up for the newsletter, you're in second wave, and then if you do nothing because you did nothing, you're in third wave, and you just have to hope that there's still something available. We were in second wave, and because there's no way we're spending $1,000 in Beautylish, guess what? Sephora. So yeah, we were in the second wave. They were already out of the 150 bags, which is the one we were hoping for. Surprisingly, I've not seen very many videos on these. Hopefully there's more this year. But let's get into the box, because that's what you guys are excited about. I'm excited about it, because I don't remember what's in this. I literally opened this when we got it, like, what, like 2 weeks ago? Something like that?
Something like that.
Something like that, and I literally remember nothing. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. The outside of the box looks like. There was no identifier to this. I thought at first, because I saw this, and Ulta does like the same little weird square. I think all the different beauty companies do it. I don't know. I literally thought it was like an Ulta box, and I was like, what did we order? And it wasn't. It was Beautylish. I had to look at the shipping tag. So this says on this little tag, it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by 7 lucky gods, what on earth, who travel the world in their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. 7 lucky gods that travel the world in their magical treasure ship. Okay, whatever. Oh my word, I didn't flip it over. They actually have a little, like, cartoony drawing of, as I show you guys the top of the box, a little cartoony drawing of their 7 gods. I guess that's what all this wrapping is. It's the picture of their 7 gods traveling the world, and this one's writing, what the fudge is that, a reindeer with an apple on its head? Don't know, don't care, let's get into the box. No one cares about the wrapping paper. Speaking of wrapping paper, tissue paper. So let's take that off, and more tissue paper. The previous bags I've seen people do videos on, everything's like wrapped individually. This one wasn't. They all kind of wrapped it in and of itself, like in one bundle of tissue paper. So I'm gonna put that to the side because I believe that's all of it.
Yes.
Yep, because this is just packaging. As I throw it on more hauls, I literally, you guys are gonna get to see just like a week of hauls because I'm sitting on like 7 Bath and Body Works bags and like 6 Sephora. Turns out it's disgusting. Let's do the Beautylish. Okay, so I think I already recognized like a couple brands from this, so let's do this one first. So this is from Clean Apothecary Brush Shampoo. I don't think I've ever used a brush shampoo. Well, no, I have. I just haven't used like a hard one. So this one's in the scent Lemon. Yeah, it's like it smells really good. But this is what he looks like as I hold it the correct direction and we open it. It's literally just like this solid white block. It smells really good. How much is he worth?
$15.
$15. I would not spend $15 on this solid rock, but you know, to each their own. Who needs their brushes? Who's like, I want my makeup brush to smell like lemony freshness? Don't know.
They have lavender. You would like that. I
would like lavender, but still, I'm not going like taking my makeup brush and I sniff every other piece of makeup, but I've never sniffed my brushes. I don't think I've ever sniffed my brushes. I don't know, comment down below. Have I sniffed my brushes on camera? Speaking of brush, there actually is a brush on here from Wayne Goss, is that how you pronounce it? And this is the number 17 brush. That's all the identification that is on here. I've heard these are actually really expensive brushes. I believe when I touched it, it felt like little angel wings. It's actually really pretty good looking brush, but it's super duper soft. How much is this thing worth?
$28.
No, you can have my soul. Like, no, I would not spend $28 on a brush. It does feel really nice. It's actually quite dense, even though it doesn't look that dense, but it's quite dense. I like him. He's exciting. Going to enjoy him. Probably never gonna wash him like the rest of my brushes. How many people wash their brushes on the regular? Clean freaks. Not me. My sister just nods. She's like raising her hand back there. No, she doesn't. Okay, this is a face mask from Shuwasho. I have no idea. Snowy's a brightening mask. I know, it's a sheet mask. I love masks. I will probably do a mask collection video for you guys this coming month because my gosh, people have been asking for collection videos and I need to do them. How much is he worth?
I don't know. Can I see the brand so I can like actually
yeah, here.
Thanks.
This is gonna figure out that one while I move on to the next product because I can't remember how much any of these were worth. Oh, this one was weird. With lots of bubble wrap. So this is actually a nail polish. It's actually really, really pretty. And this is from Smith & is that Colt?
Yes.
Like a Colt?
Like Smith & Wesson, like the guns, but Smith & Colt. No?
No.
Okay.
It's really pretty nail polish. Is its number 1972? Is that supposed to be a year? Is it supposed to, I don't know, but it is very, very pretty. Its packaging is really odd. The metal top, it's like this. I don't know how well it's coming. You can kind of see it's like indented. It's really odd.
They don't sell this product anymore, so I have to look on something else.
They don't sell that face mask anymore?
I can't find it on Beautylish's website. I'll look at it on Google. Google knows everything.
Google knows everything. Go to the brand!
I did.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
I did.
You went on the brand's website?
No, I went on Beautylish's website because they're the
Go
ones
on the
selling.
brand website. Yeah. Always trust the brand first. But this is the nail polish. Oh no, it's in shade 1. What on earth is 1972? Is that the color's name? Because it says 1 on the side of the bottle. But it's really, really pretty. It's a nice shimmery color. Nice shimmery color. That's descriptive. It's like a shimmery mauve. It's really pretty. I remember sniffing it and going, it smells like nail polish.
$13. It's $130 for a 10-pack of these.
$130 for a 10-pack. It's a $13 face mask. How about no? I think that's one of the more expensive face masks. I cannot open this. Oh yes, I can. Of course. But I literally like sniffed this when we first got it and I was like, it smells like nail polish.
You said which number was
this
that?
This is number 1. It's Smith & Colt. It's the nail polish. Why do you need the nail polish number?
Make sure I'm playing the right thing.
It's the one with the, it looks like it got beat up nail polish. Like someone like dropped the lid off the truck and then we're like, it looks cute. Let's just pop it in there. $18 nail polish. That's almost as bad as I think my Marc Jacobs nail polish, which is over there. I'm not going to pick them up. Next, which one should I do next? I think I'm going to do this one because I think the last one I was more excited about. So this is from, how do you pronounce this brand?
Jouer.
Jouer. I don't know. I don't speak French. Bubble wrapped, and this is their skinny dipped palette. So, I need another palette, like I need a hole in the head. But it says the Skinny Dipped Collection Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows, which I think I've seen this one float around.
Ooh, that was bright.
Oh, what, did I just like blind you? She blinds me with my light all the time, so.
He's worth $40.
He's worth $40. He's got a lot of packaging. I mean, look at the palette in comparison to his box. Look at this. Is that not obnoxious? That's like, I keep blinding you. I'm so sorry. So this is the actual palette. That is like intensively blinding. There's so much light down here. But this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm actually going to use your box. I'm going to blind. So you guys can actually see the shadows. Look how pretty that is. And I'm trying to remember if I have any of my makeup wipes down here. You would think with all the beauty stuff down here, I would like know exactly where my makeup wipes are.
I think that bag is still in your room.
No, I swear I moved the makeup wipes down here. Yes. Ah, Sephora makeup wipes next to me. Alright, I'm going to swatch these shadows for you guys. I'm just going to scratch them on the back of my hand. Oh, wow, that's nice and buttery. They're really pigmented. Ooh. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. I wish I thought of it. I would have pulled this out of the box and actually did my eyeshadows with at least one of them. Because I feel like I'd only use this as base shade. I cannot imagine trying to contour my eyeball with this.
Whoa.
I know, isn't it pretty?
So pretty.
I'm running out of fingers to do the swatches to keep it clean. Why don't I just pull out a makeup wipe? That'd be an intelligent thing to do, though. I got so excited for these makeup wipes, and they're dry. And I'm gonna pull out a face toner to use on the makeup wipe to get the makeup wipe to actually work. My sister's looking at me like, are you really doing this? Yes, I am. Really am. To clean off my fingertips so I can actually finish these swatches.
It's okay, I'll forgive you.
Because I feel like all the videos that I saw that had like the palettes, they didn't really swatch any of the palettes that I've seen. Oh my gosh, they're so intensively pigmented. I don't know why I'm like swirling my finger. I could just literally tap it. I think only one of them didn't have like as intensely amount of pigmentation. So this is all of the eyeshadows. So this one right here is the shade Starlight, and then next to it, this pinky shade is Bikini, and I think that's the least pigmented one out of all of them because you can barely see that it's pink. Next to it is Skinny Dip, and then next to that is, what, Tan Lines? I see that. And then next to that is Magic Hour, and then on the very end is Midnight Swim. Why do all makeup companies have to use very sexual names? I literally took one of my friends out to, I think we were like at Ulta, and somehow I was like, I have this 12-year-old with me and we're looking at makeup, and I'm like going, oh my word, please don't ask questions about what these names are. I'm not your mommy. This is not my job description. Okay, next and the last thing that's inside of the Beautylish bag for 2018. Yeah, this is called the 2018 because it's the New Year's bag. This is, what is this? Tea by Terry?
By Terry.
Oh, By Terry is the name of the brand. That's the name of the brand, By Terry. Interesting. This is their Sun Designer palette, and my sister almost went like nuts. You couldn't see nothing on that. It's just purple.
He's worth $82.
He's worth $82. That's insane. We only spent $75 on the bag, so him by himself was well worth it. He's also in this lovely velvet cloth, which is really pretty. Because, you know, velvet cloth means it's expensive, Marc Jacobs. This is actually really pretty packaging. Look at that. Oh, it does not do it justice on camera. You guys can kind of see that it's got like a orange and white top with purple. It's really pretty. And then open him up. Cover up the mirror so not to blind you guys. And it's like a bronzing and a blush palette. It's a perfect cheek palette. Very, very pretty. I'm going to try to swatch these. I have not touched this palette because I was like, look at how like nicely indented they are. I was like, I don't want to ruin this. Oh my gosh, that is butter. That is so pretty. My whole hand is now glitterified. Because glitterified's a word. Look at those colors. This is something I would use very light-handed for their blush because it is very rich in pigmentation. Look at those blushes. They're very bright. When would I wear a blush that bright? I probably wouldn't. I don't really see me using the top one.
I wish we would have gotten the Savannah Love one.
The Savannah Love one?
Yeah, you would love the colors. They're super pretty.
Savannah Love one is really pretty. Which one was this one called?
Isn't that the
Sun Designer, the Tan and Flash Cruise. It's the first one. And then the last part of this palette, that is next to nothing. That is intense. That is definitely a bronzer shade. The top shade of their like bronzer palette is definitely matte, but the bottom two have shimmer in them. The middle one definitely has a lot of shimmer in it. You almost cannot see the top one. This is the top one, that's the middle, and then that's the bottom. And then there is the palette one more time. There he is. Super, super pretty. And he was, what, $82? So how much does that make the whole bag worth?
$196.
$196 for $75, and that's what a savings? That's my sister's doing math.
60 61.7%.
61.7%. I think it's pretty good. That's typically what you'd save in like any of the Sephora favorite boxes, and all these are full-size products, so I think this is really good. And I think that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to get notifications on when my videos get uploaded, make sure you hit the little notification bell, because sometimes they go on like, you know, that month-long hiatus and you guys have no idea if I'm dead. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you want to follow me on social media, it's all in the description below. Stay foxy, guys.